You know what's really crazy? The fact that Amazon just wastes so much time suspending every seller on the planet for nothing, literally nothing, and then boom, services out here just changing seller fees from 15 to 8% manipulation. People are like, seller fees went up. It's like, not for me, baby. Dude, this is ridiculous. Black Hat Central. You thought it was over? No, not think again. Not until I get all your emails from freaking Amazon. Should have known. Last but not least, insider notes from Amazon. And obviously Amazon's not responsible, by the way. I know the Federal Trade Commission lawsuit, they're not responsible. This is all false claims. Their staff does nothing wrong. Okay, there's no double dealing. Only the seller is wrong. Only the seller. Okay, do as I say, not as I do. Just remember that.